The title of this book is A Guide to Longevity Foods, Diets, and Supplements, and here's a description of the book. There's great interest out there in what people can do to extend their longevity. I've been writing books about longevity for 14 years, and I realized there was one topic I had not really covered in detail. That topic is what are the foods and supplements we can take which will help make us healthy enough to lengthen our lives. Improving individual longevity is not just about foods and supplements. There are a lot of factors which affect longevity, so I have a chapter here which talks about my work, The 10 Principles of Personal Longevity, which covers those issues in more detail. In addition, there are some specific physical issues like telomeres, inflammation, and oxidative stress, which also affect chronic diseases and therefore longevity, and these are discussed in detail. I also think it's pertinent to see what long-lived communities eat, so I've copied some of the key data and conclusions from my book on 4 long-lived communities around the world to see what types of foods they eat. Some recipes of their traditional foods are also included. Foods and supplements which have been known from historical times and today are discussed in detail for you to learn what the wisdom of the ages and science knows about the correct foods and supplements to eat. After reading this book, you'll have new ideas about the foods, diets, and supplements you can eat to help you live much longer and a healthy life. And here, some of the table of contents includes the 10 principles of personal longevity, important factors affecting longevity, again like telomeres, inflammation, oxidative stress, the 4 long-lived cultures, some of the recipes, and then we get into some longevity foods, and a lot about different herbs and their details. Some of these herbs include goji berries, ginseng root, foti, resveratrol, astragalus, ginger, turmeric, spirulina, and then there's more longevity supplements. So I put everything in this book that you can think about in terms of what are known to help improve longevity. And you can find this book in my website, MKEttingtonbooks.com, in the Longevity and Immortality Books category.